Hello everyone. For this tutoring video, I'd like to introduce you to vertical motion using a common force that you experience every day, gravity. The force of gravity constantly pulls objects down toward the center of the earth, provided there is not a force counteracting it back up. For example, the force of a table or similar object supporting the objects that are sitting on it. The force of gravity has a constant acceleration for anything that is falling. So for example, when I drop this pencil, you should have noticed the velocity of it while it's falling through the air was not constant, but rather gradually increasing the more airtime it had. Research has determined that the exact acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second downward. Although I will not demonstrate until a later video about why exactly it is that number and not any other. In the next video, I will discuss combined horizontal and vertical motion, called projectile motion. Named so because of an object being projected into the air while being thrown horizontally. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.